Okay guys, we're here to install our new shifter handle. We're going to go ahead on this one and put in the hill killer with our DNR in it. We're going to put that in. You can pretty much grab this leather boot and pop it up if you want, but I'm going to use a trim tool just to make sure we're good. You're going to pop that in there, pull up a trim, pull it up and out of the way. We're supplying this with a T25 Torx. You can use that with the ratchet that Jeep supplied for taking off your doors and etc. This was gonna, let's go ahead and put this in here. We're gonna take this bolt that's exposed is what holds the shifter onto the shifter shaft. We're gonna back this off and pull that out of there. We'll spin this back. Get that backing out of the way. That'll allow the shifter handle to come off, the factory one. It'll pop right up. And what we're going to do is, we'll probably put a little detailed video on this as well. There are two tabs that allow this shifter boot splined piece of plastic here that holds the retaining bolt in. These tabs have to be pressed in, so we can hang onto the shifter. This is kind of a trick with your hands, but hang onto the shifter with this hand and give it a little bit of up force. Push in. We're going to push in on this side. And then we're going to push in on this side, and that will allow the boot to come off. So that comes off. As you can see, that's got a spline around it. We're going to take our shifter. We're going to put it in. That's the alignment hole, which the bolt goes back through and goes into the shifter shaft. That's going to go towards the rear, towards this bolt. As you can see, that slides in. You want to make sure that the boot isn't doubled up on this side. Go ahead and pull this back so you can see it. So it slides and goes firmly down. Whoop, there, popped it off. It goes firmly down. You can pull the boot back. We're going to give this a little bit of engagement so it can't come loose as it is. Set this on. Rotate it around. Go ahead and take our bit. We'll start it in here, thread it in a bit. Put our T25 back in the ratchet. Go ahead and tighten that up. Slide the boot down, pop it in, and you're ready to go.